In this video, we discuss how to utilize ChatGPT to earn income in 5 different ways. The earning potential is virtually limitless because it depends on your effort and dedication. It is possible to earn anywhere from $20 to $200 per day. Method 1. Summary videos. One way to make money using ChatGPT is by creating summary videos of popular books. Many people prefer to watch videos rather than read books, so a video summary can be a great way to reach a wider audience. To create a summary video, start by searching for popular books on Amazon. You can then use ChatGPT to summarize the book and turn the summary into a video using a tool like Pictory. Here's how it works. First, you'll need to choose a book that's popular and has good reviews. You can use Amazon's bestseller list or browse through different categories to find a book that's of interest to you. Once you've chosen a book, use ChatGPT to summarize the main points and key takeaways. It's important to include the most important information while still keeping the summary concise. Next, use a tool like Pictory to turn the summary into a video. You can add images and text to the video to make it more visually appealing. Finally, upload the video to YouTube and monetize it through ads and sponsorships. By creating summary videos, you can not only reach a wider audience, but also earn money through ads and sponsorships. Method 2. Blog posts. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is by writing and publishing blog posts. You can use ChatGPT to help you come up with ideas and create an outline for the post. Then, write the content and promote Amazon products in your post to earn commissions. You can also make money through Google AdSense by displaying ads on your blog. Here's how it works. First, think about the topic you want to write about. It could be related to your area of expertise or something you're passionate about. Use ChatGPT to help you come up with ideas and create an outline for the post. Then, start writing the content using the outline as a guide. As you write, be sure to include keywords and phrases related to your topic to help your post rank higher in search engines. You can also include links to Amazon products in your post and earn commissions when someone clicks on the link and makes a purchase. Finally, sign up for Google AdSense and display ads on your blog to earn money through clicks and impressions. By writing and publishing blog posts, you can monetize your expertise and reach a wider audience. Method 3. Ebooks. Creating and selling ebooks is another way to earn money using ChatGPT. You can use ChatGPT to help you come up with ideas and write the content for the ebook. Once it's complete, you can sell it on platforms like Amazon. Here's how it works. First, choose a topic that you're knowledgeable and passionate about. Use ChatGPT to help you come up with ideas and create an outline for the ebook. Then, start writing the content using the outline as a guide. As you write, be sure to include relevant keywords and phrases to help your ebook rank higher in search engines. Once you've finished writing the ebook, edit and proofread it to ensure it's of high quality. You can then format the ebook and upload it to a platform like Amazon. You can also promote the ebook through your social media channels and email list to reach a wider audience. By creating and selling ebooks, you can monetize your expertise and reach a global audience. Method 4. Courses. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can use ChatGPT to create and sell online courses. Start by using ChatGPT to come up with ideas and create the content for the course. You can then sell the course on platforms like Udemy. Here's how it works. First, choose a topic that you're knowledgeable and passionate about. Use ChatGPT to help you come up with ideas and create an outline for the course. Then, start creating the content using the outline as a guide. You can use a variety of formats for your course, such as video lectures, quizzes, and assignments. As you create the course, be sure to include relevant keywords and phrases to help it rank higher in search engines. You can also include links to Amazon products in the course and earn commissions when someone clicks on the link and makes a purchase. Once the course is complete, upload it to a platform like Udemy and start promoting it through your social media channels and email list. By offering online courses, you can monetize your expertise and reach a global audience. Method 5. Consulting services. Finally, you can offer consulting services in your area of expertise. Use ChatGPT to help you create a website and promote your services as a consultant. You can then charge clients for your consulting services. Here's how it works. First, Create a website using ChatGPT to help you write the content and design the layout. Be sure to include information about your background and expertise, as well as details about the services you offer. You can also include testimonials from past clients to build credibility. Next, promote your consulting services through your social media channels and email list. Why? You can also use paid advertising to reach a wider audience. Be sure to set clear expectations and fees for your consulting services to ensure a smooth process for both you and your clients. By offering consulting services, you can monetize your expertise and help businesses and individuals solve problems and achieve their goals. In summary, there are many ways to earn money using ChatGPT, including creating summary videos, writing blog posts, creating ebooks, offering courses, and offering consulting services. By using ChatGPT to help you generate ideas and create content, you can monetize your expertise and reach a wider audience. Thanks for watching, and we hope these 5 methods have given you some ideas on how to earn money using ChatGPT.